BMW's answer to big electric luxury, the iX, a driver's SUV with a bold look and serious engineering. The 2026 iX offers up to 364 miles of range from a 105 kWh battery, but it's the rumored quad-motor M model that's turning heads. Imagine each wheel controlled independently for sports car agility in a full-size SUV. The interior is a modern lounge open-pore wood, crystal controls, and a floating curved display running the latest iDrive. The new Panoramic Vision HUD projects info across the entire windshield, augmented reality for the road. The iX's design is polarizing, but it stands out and signals BMW's boldness in the EV era. It's not the most opulent or the longest range, but it's the most engaging to drive. For those who want space, tech, and true driving pleasure, the iX is the standout. BMW proves big EVs can still be fun behind the wheel. The iX is the driver's choice in the luxury electric SUV world. It's a glimpse of the future, dynamic, innovative, and unmistakably BMW. Lucid shook up the EV world, and the Air Dream Edition remains the benchmark for range and performance. The Dream Edition R delivers a staggering 520 miles of real-world range, more than any other production EV. Lucid's in-house tech means smarter, more efficient engineering. 113 kWh battery, compact motors, and minimal energy loss. Opt for the tri-motor setup and you get over 2,100 horsepower, hypercar power in a luxury sedan. The Air is both a long-distance cruiser and a rocket ship, all in one. Inside, it's all about space and light. A huge glass canopy, a clean, airy design, and a 34-inch 5K glass cockpit. The interface is advanced yet intuitive, with a retractable touchscreen for controls. The exterior is sleek, aerodynamic, and instantly recognizable. Lucid proves you don't have to choose between range and performance. The Air is the technological benchmark, efficient, powerful, and spacious. For those who want the best numbers in a true luxury experience, it's in a class of its own.